blessings of God, the most merciful. This is Amir Sultan, QHSE Business International Chief Executive Officer, CEO. I hope you are following me on my videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 323. Before I proceed to chapter number 323, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after doing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 323 is about how to have an effective distribution of ISO system documentation. Okay, basically, ISO system documentation is meant to be documented properly when it is created. Then, after that, the system states that the effective distribution of those documents which are relevant to the departments for which it has been initiated and made and which then developed need to be distributed accordingly whenever it is required and wherever it is required, but that need to be done properly. For example, I take an example of SOPs. Standard operating procedures of ISO systems are generated and professionally they are structured appropriately according to the guidelines and principles of the making of an SOP for that relevant subject SOP. After that, that SOP may contains lot of forms and attached check sheets according to that SOP requirement. After that, when those SOPs are required for different departments and areas, that specific SOPs, those should be distributed according to the guidelines principles which should be applied. For example, for the SOPs, the first page of the SOPs should tell about the details where that said SOP should be distributed, and the details of that person and department need to be mentioned. The person who is receiving that SOP should be mentioned. The date of that receiving SOP mentioned, and the person who is receiving that SOP should have the signatures on that. After it is distributed amicably and properly, it has to be maintained in the master list, that the specific SOP. The SOP which has been given to that department for reading it and for applying it need to be having that copy in their department also. In this way, thus, the effective distribution of ISO documents is done accordingly. Similarly, other documents and the things which are required for those departments and areas need to be distributed appropriately and on time and with all the proofs. If you need more details, analysis, summary, repeats, recommendation, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can contact me on my another number at +92 314 639 7990. You can reach me on my three email addresses at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com, amirsultanrana@gmail.com, contact at qhsebusinessinternational.com, and even you can reach me on my company website at www.qhsebusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.